If you're using Amap as your Google Maps alternative in China, you've probably noticed one major frustration. All your saved places end up in one giant messy list. Unlike Google Maps, the custom lists feature in Amap is hidden behind Chinese menus. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to organize your favorite cafes, gyms, and restaurants into separate folders, so your map finally makes sense. Step 1. Open the Amap app and tap Favorites on the home screen. Step 2. To start fresh, tap Create New List at the top. Step 3. Name your list, then choose the Itinerary Route template. Step 4. Now, start starring your hotels, sites, and restaurants to add them in. Step 5. Once you're done, select Iconic Route to see the overview. Step 6. Now tap Set Route to start planning your path. Step 7. Hit Connect Route and choose driving, walking, or cycling. Step 8. For a multi-day trip, go to Sort and Group, then Manage Groups. Simply drag and drop your spots to group nearby attractions into the same day. And there you go! Your perfect China itinerary is ready to use. And that's the secret to keeping your Amap perfectly organized. No more messy pins, just a clean, professional itinerary ready for your next adventure. If this guide made your China trip a little easier, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your travel buddies. Have more questions or getting stuck on another app? Drop a comment below. I might just make my next video for you. For more expert travel hacks, make sure to subscribe to Real China Trip. Happy exploring, and I'll see you in the next one.